In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create and upload a video blog using iMovie for the Mac OS operating systems. The first thing you want to do is open up iMovie. And you'll notice that I named the project, so you can go just to File, New Project, and you want to name the project based on the instructions that the Eldercare channel has given you. I think it's the name of the market, like Denver, the title, how to get Medicaid, and then the date. Because as we have hundreds of these videos following through our process, we need to easily recognize, and the way you name this before you upload it to Dropbox is what's going to control the outcome, the speed, and the efficiency by which we can get this content processed. Once you have the project created, there are two quick settings you need to look at. Number one is to click on the microphone icon. Make sure you're using the right microphone. I don't have any other options here because I'm not using an external webcam as you might, or you could have any kind of microphone, but this is the built-in microphone on the Mac. The other setting you want to do is click on the camera icon here over on the left. When you click on that camera icon, you'll see it's going to bring up an image of me talking here. Let me try to increase the lighting just a little bit. And do as I say, not as I do, by the way. I'm not in the video blogging setting. I have a shaky environment here without the right lighting and a confusing backdrop. So use the lights we've recommended, two lights pointed at you 90 at 45 degrees with a neutral backdrop. It could be plants, a photo, a plain wall is the best, I find, a light color, and clothes that don't contrast. So this is just an instructional video, so do as I say, not as I do. And again, now that we've adjusted the audio, you want to adjust the video. Make sure you're going to use the right camera. I'm just using the built-in iSight. You can use whatever webcam you're using. Please note there's a bug right now where iMovie doesn't work with the Logitech C920 because that's a PC-based camera. You can use an alternative camera to that, or just the built-in iSight. And for these smaller video blogs, that will work just fine. All I need to do now is hit the capture button, and it's going to start recording. I'm going to go ahead and just let this thing go ahead and record for a few minutes. I'll give you a test video. Test 1, 2, 3, testing for audio, testing for video. And I'm going to give this 10 seconds. There we go. I'm going to hit stop. Now it's already going to, iMovie is already going to compress this into my work area. Now something about iMovie that's different than other editors is you have a work area here. Now this is where you can add all kinds of stuff if you're going to do editing yourself, like intros, outros, text, pictures, animations. We're not concerned with any of that. All I want you to do is select your video that you just recorded. If you know you put a bunch of garbage in the beginning, you don't have to select that. You can do kind of a mini edit yourself here, but just make it easy on everybody. Select the whole thing that you just recorded. We'll take care of the editing later. Select the whole thing that you've recorded and simply move that up to the project area. Now this is the actual video that plays. This is the actual area that makes up the portion of the video you're going to export. Now watch what happens when I play this. Give you a test video. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing for audio. Testing for video. And I'm going to give this 10 seconds. There we go. So you can see I recorded it. It's done. It's good to go. Now all I need to do is go ahead and go to File. Go to Share. And I'm going to export. I could even publish right to YouTube or Facebook if you're doing the editing yourself and you're comfortable with that. You can publish it right to social media or online. But what we're going to do is export movie. Click on Export Movie. That's going to bring up some options here. Now here is something really cool. You can export this right into your Dropbox folder. See how this says Dropbox? Now you should have a folder in your Dropbox called Upload Videos here. You can just select that folder and literally export. The only other issues are the size. Always go with the maximum available size. And you'll see it's already compatible with iPhones, iPads, Apple TV, and computers. Awesome. Now, this is the most universally available size, is 960 by 540. If you're recording in HD, which we always recommend if you have the camera, then just select the highest resolution you're able to, that it will let you here. Once I do that, Denver, how to get Medicaid, I'm going to do this to my desktop just because we're testing things here, but make sure you go ahead and upload it right to Dropbox in the folder that you were told and click Export. I'm going to pause this for a minute and see how long it takes. Actually, no, I'm not. It's going pretty quick here. So if you did a 5 to 10 minute video, it would be a lot longer than that. But let's go take a look at what we've done. And we have a nice universally usable and readable video here. Go to my desktop and see what we have. So Denver channel, how to get Medicaid. Open this up. I have Spotify opening up, video application. That's not the right program I want to open. Unless you want to listen to some music as you do it. So Denver, how to get Medicaid. I'll give you a test video. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing for audio, testing for video. And I'm going to give this 10 seconds. There we go. Okay, I have a conflict happening where it's opening it in the wrong program. It's just using Spotify, which is a music program. So obviously you don't need to worry about that. If you created an M4V, it should open in the right program. Let me open it up in QuickTime Player and show you what the final video will look like. So if you're using QuickTime Player to view the video, all you have to do is go QuickTime Player, File Open. You can do a quick preview of the video. Make sure it's cool. Give you a test video. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing for audio, testing for video. So once you have the video with a good lighting, good audio, with the content you want, you just simply upload to the Dropbox folder and we'll do the rest. Hopefully this helps. Contact us if you have any questions.